It's Saturday, and I've got a lot of mail. So I figured for Saturday, I'd knock out all these priority boxes and see what goodies we have in them. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and I've got 9 priority boxes I want to get open today. We'll be doing a mail call today and another one again tomorrow to try to get caught up on some of this mail. That being said, you know the drill. Anyone I get a package from, if I have their YouTube information, I'll post it down below in the video description. Let's kick it off with this first priority box, see who it's from. My first package comes from my friend Jeff Silversmith. Simply writes, Merry Christmas. Unbelievable. On the Jeff Silversmith Extravaganza number 3, I commented on a couple of rounds that he had for end of box giveaways, and he donated them to me. Unbelievable. A 1916 D, Denver minted, if you will, 2-ounce, fatty, Mercury dime round. Unbelievable. Also, I commented on these Aztec rounds, and what does he do? He sends me 2 of them. Jeff Silversmith, you are truly a generous gentleman. You made my Christmas, brother. Merry Christmas to you and yours as well, and even Silver Sidekick. My next package comes from Arik Murray. He sent me a 76S clad proof, a 1918 Canadian 1 cent, and a 1918 Canadian 10 cent. Very cool coins to add to my collection. Thank you very much, Arik Murray. Man, love him. He also sent for EOS's 4 copper 1/4 ounce rounds and a 2003 D Sacagawea dollar coin, and this thing is awesome. Look at that. It's got the gold and the silver fields. Unbelievable. Very nice. And there's the 4 rounds. We've got a Walking Liberty design, an SLQ design, a Buffalo, and a Shield nickel. I'll make that an EOS from Arik Murray. Very kind and generous of you, sir. Now, for that, he wanted me to take a look at 4 coins. 2 nickels, a 68p quarter, and the 54S penny. And I've got them laid out here. And first and foremost, I thought maybe it might be a lamination problem with the copper showing through. But when I looked at it under the loop, actually, that copper-looking material is raised above the plating, which now tells me it's probably not a plating issue. It looks like it's either fingernail polish or some kind of epoxy that's been coated on top, and it's just kind of settled in where it's settled in. Personally, I think it's fingernail polish, and it's not anything to do with the lamination. It is raised above the plating that's on there, so I think that it is not the copper exposed. It's something additional added to it. Definitely probably postmint damage on that one. On this nickel, all day postmint damage. Someone spun it around, sanded it down. I find a lot of these, that's nothing valuable either. That being said, we've got a couple examples here. First, we have a 54S. He says it looks like it's a weak strike on the reverse. I did flip it over, and sure enough, you can see part of the 1 and the E in cent is missing, as well as part of the United States of America. But when you put it under the scope, it's got really good detail everywhere, but those letters are pretty much missing. So in my opinion, this might be a grease strike or a weak strike as well. Very cool coin. The front does look like it might have been cleaned, so there is a possibility that this coin has been cleaned and maybe the strike has been kind of rubbed away, but I didn't see any examples on the back that tell me that this has actually been done post-mint. I think it's possibly just a grease strike error or a weak strike for sure. It's a nice looking cent otherwise. So this might very well be a weak strike / grease strike. I would hold on to that for sure. And then finally, an anomaly here. If you look at it, you'll notice that a lot of the letters is missing too. Resembles kind of a grease strike. But when I put it under the scope, the planchet looks odd as well. Look at that. It's like the outside few millimeters of the planchet were raised and the die did strike the planchet but didn't get a full strike. Very odd. You can even see part of the Monticello building on the rim as well as America, but it's hard to tell. And I thought maybe it's a rub away mark like it's been post-mint damage, but it's so consistent throughout. It have to have been done very carefully to have caused this kind of damage, and it's got me kind of trumped, so I need some help out there. I'll tell you, the rim is a little fatter than the normal nickel, and maybe that's what's going on here. It's a faulty planchet. It has the same problems on the obverse As you can see, a raised rim and a lower valley, if you will, with a weak strike. It could be postman damage. It could be a faulty planchet. I'm kind of stumped. Maybe you guys have seen it before. It's not something that I have seen. To any extent, as promised, I'll send back the 2 nickels, the quarter, and the penny. That's my thoughts for now. Arik, these will be in the mail on Monday. Thank you for the EOS items, the goodies for my collection, and a chance to look at 4 cool coins. My next package comes from my friend Spring Christine. Spring Christine, I wish you all the best this holiday season. I hope your health improves, and I appreciate all the package goodies you sent me throughout the year. That being said, she has sent me another extremely epic package. There's lots of goodies to cover here, so I'll run through them really quick. A beautiful American Revolution Bicentennial commemorative medal. Look at GW on there. Holy cow, man. That is awesome. The Sons of Liberty tree on the back. Beautiful commemorative. She sent me 5 1959 Denver minted uncirculated cents. Well, sets of 2, so 10 of them. Very cool. A ICG graded MS67 Ocean View first day of issue nickel 2005D. A beautiful 1933 gold double eagle replica. It's actually copper layered in 24 karat gold. Very nice. On top of that, all kinds of tokens and replica coins to add to the collection or use as giveaways. Really love these great American glass industry coins, or tokens if you will. Only the best comes in glass. There's 5 of those. We've also got a replica 21 piece dollar, a Buffalo bronze bar, an Apollo moon landing token, a Kona Chamber of Commerce token, an American Bicentennial token, an awesome Comedia Americana reproduction medal. So cool. Look at the design on that bad boy. We've got a Maui trade dollar, a very cool McCarran gaming token, an Indiana Amateur Softball Association token. Very nice. And a bunch of other miscellaneous tokens as well to go along with some beautiful antique car coin series Sunoco car tokens. Very nice. Spring Christine, thank you so much. I'll add a lot of these tokens to my collection that I don't have. The duplicates I'll probably put in a token giveaway. Compliments of your generosity. Again, Spring Christine, happy holidays. I hope you're feeling better. And thank you again for yet another generous package. My next package is actually a trade with a time-traveling coin dealer. He had a simple trade request. And just so you know, time-traveling coin dealer, I went ahead and fulfilled your trade with some extras. That being said, for sake of time, I can't cover all that he gave me, but he gave me a whole bunch of pre-1950s foreigns, which I'll show you some high-grade modern coins, which I won't need to show you for this video, some copper coins, again, not going to show that, and some coins he'd like me to go ahead and put under the scope, which I will do on my own time. But I will go ahead and show off some of the items in the package because I think they're really cool. The first is a silver certificate, and check out that serial number, 222222345. He also sent me 2 lower grade but very nice 1935S piece dollars. Can't get mad at those. A stack of SLQs, a 25, a 26, a 26S, a 28, a 29, and a 1930. He knows I love my Standing Liberty quarters, and those are beautiful additions to my collection. Now, I did pull out a handful of foreigns from that stack to go ahead and show you. We've got a beautiful 1795 Hamburg piece of silver. Man, that's nice. Love it. An 1866 Peruvian coin. An 1867 Brazilian coin. Wow, love it. Absolutely love it. We've got a 1874 Straits Settlement. Look at this. Is that Queen Vicky on the back? I think so. A 1907 French coin. Man. And it even has a mint mark of an E. And then finally a 1922A French Indochina. I don't think I even have any of these. So that is awesome. Anyway, just wanted to show you a couple. There's lots of goodies, and for sake of time, I can't show them all. Plus, it was a trade. The time traveling coin dealer, thank you so much. These are a lot better than I expected to get, which is why I sent some extras in your pack. And I can't wait to get these under the scope to see why you wrote the word scope on the package. My next package comes from Felix John. There was no note in there, but we've got a beautiful New Zealand bill right here. Unbelievable. Love it. I don't know if I have this bill from New Zealand. He also sent some gold-plated coins, 309s, a quarter, and a 1943 gold-plated Mercury dime. We've got an Indian head cent from 1905, a miscellaneous find, can't get mad at that. An 1861 Confederate of America replica token, and even some silver. Thomas Edison, 125th anniversary of the light bulb. Beautiful. I'll take that all day. Felix, no letter, but thank you very much for your generosity. I always enjoy getting packages from you, my friend. My next package comes from Ezekiel Barkley, who said, Rob, no need to read this on the mail call. Just use it as an end of stream giveaway. Well, because it's so beautiful, I figured I'd use it on the mail call. A 1943 Walker, a 43 quarter, a 43 Merc dime, a 43 silver war nickel, and a stunning 43 steel cent. What a beautiful set. I'll be added to the EOS. Ezekiel Barkley, holy cow, that's beautiful, brother. Thank you for the generosity as well. My next package comes from Gold Squirrel Ryan, who says, Rob, happy holidays and love the stream. Well, look what he sent. For me, he sent me a beautiful 1967 British penny. Gotta love the condition of that. Ironically, we just found one in my live stream the other night. A 1906 Indian head cent in very fine plus condition, huh? Yeah, that's very nice. Holy cow. Beautiful Indian head cent right there. A 61 proof penny. Love the proof pennies. That one's minted in Philadelphia because it's prior to 1964. We've got beautiful Roman busted coin right there. Very nice. As well as an 1899, 90% silver, Barber half dollar, minted in Philly. For Charlani, he sent a beautiful 69 S-tone nickel, a beautiful Merc dime. She loves her 44 Merc dimes. A half dollar for the ugly coin book, another Roman Emperor coin, and a Singapore dollar coin. He also said, Rob, I'd like to add something for an EOS giveaway. It's the 2004 and 2005 Westward Series nickel set. Beautiful. A 1942 Walking Liberty in great condition. Stunner. As well as a 72 Kennedy half dollar on a chain. Gold Squirrel Ryan, epic package, brother. Goodies for me, goodies for Charlani, and goodies for the coin community. My next package is from Penny Dog, and it's making me smile. Here's Penny Dog's sticker. Very cool channel. Love watching their Saturday live streams with Treasure Turd. She writes to my dog, Dear Kai. I thought it was high time you were able to enjoy your mom and dad's live streams with the rest of us. I know you're not allowed upstairs in the production studio, so I'm sending all the supplies you need to have fun on Wednesday and Friday nights. Enclosed, a bottle of grape juice, just like Dad's. Watch out for fruit flies. Very, very cool dog toy bottle of Merlot. You gotta love it. Your very own iPod to watch and join in the live chat. DogTube has been preloaded. There's his iPod. Very, very awesome. And then finally some snacks, because everyone loves snacks. Have fun and my best to your mom and dad, Penny Dog. And there's the snacks right there. Kai is gonna love these, Penny Dog. Very kind of you sending my dog, my puppy, my baby boy, some goodies to keep him busy during the live streams. Those are awesome gifts, and that's an awesome channel sticker. Today's final package comes from Dallas S. He said, Rob, I sent you a goodie for you to open on Christmas. Don't open it before then. You bet, brother. I'll put it under my Christmas tree. I only have to wait 4 more days to see what's in there. He also sent me a couple of handcrafted pieces of wood that he did himself, and I'm very happy to have those. He said I can use them for giveaways if I want, but Dallas, I want to keep all this together since it is a present from you for Christmas. He says, I know I haven't really been present as far as talkative on the streams, but just know that I'm a silent watcher just watching. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You as well, brother. I'm super excited to see what's in there. Thank you again, Dallas S., for the Christmas wishes and the Christmas present. Well, I think that pretty much concludes this Saturday shout out and mail call. With only 9 packages that were all priority, we got a lot of stuff. We got goodies for Kai, my dog. We got giveaways for the coin community, stuff for Charlani, stuff for me, stuff from trades, lots of cool foreigns, including a couple of things I get to look at later, as well as stuff I get to put under my scope. You guys are an amazing coin community. You're very generous and kind. I hope all of you have a great holiday season, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll be back tomorrow with another mail call, but I just wanted to make sure I said that because right now, with all of this giving, I'm feeling the love. If you enjoyed this Saturday shout out and mail call, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.